Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Today I'm doing another site visit and I'm taking you guys along. So I'll be showing you guys on the inside, the different rooms. So at the end of the video, just make a comment and let me know what you think of this house. And as always, remember to like, share, comment, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. So just let me know what you think, guys. So this is the back of the house. So the house is on a slope, so it's split level. So the back there you can see the back porch. So I'm just gonna show you on the inside. So this is the porch. And from the porch we have living area. So the living area is open to above. And in that corner will be the staircase. So from the living area you have the kitchen. And the kitchen is open. It's open to the dining area. So there is a archway that leads back into the living area from the dining area. So I'm back. I'm now back in the living area. So this is bedroom number 1, guys. So bedroom number 1. And this is a reach-in closet. So we're gonna put a small linen closet here in the passage area, and from the passage area this will be a bathroom. So in the bathroom is just gonna be a shower, just a shower and toilet and face basin. So that's open to above. So as I said, that's where the stairs is going to be. The light fixture. That's for the light fixture. And you're gonna have a double door. So I'm just gonna take you guys upstairs to the main level, to the main floor. So on the main floor we have a garage, a single car garage. So from the garage, you go through a passageway into bedroom number 2. So this is bedroom number 2, and you have a reaching closet as well for bedroom number 2. And we have a small balcony. So you have the view of the sea, the Caribbean Sea. And here you have another bathroom. So just at the bathroom downstairs, you're gonna have a shower. Just a shower, no tub, just a shower, toilet, and face basin. So as you can see, open to below. So that's the living room down there. So let me take you to the balcony and show you that view. So that's the view from the balcony. Right down there is the Peja Bluff. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. So that's the Peja Bluff. So you're looking down into Treasure Beach and Great Bay. So we're now in the master bedroom. So in the master bedroom you have a walk-in closet. So this is a walk-in closet. And this is a master bath. So the vanity is gonna go there, double vanity. No, the shower is gonna go there. Sorry, the shower is gonna go there. The double vanity is gonna go on that wall. I think it's a shower. It's gonna have a tub in here. I think it's a single vanity and the toilet. So there's gonna be a wall right here that kind of gives some privacy when you're using a toilet. And there is also a balcony for the master bedroom. So that's a column, and you have that view. There's also a back porch. So I'm continuing that curve theme. So that's where the back porch is going to be, and you have a double wide door. Open to below. So this is the 4th bedroom. So this bedroom have its own bathroom and its own walk-in closet. So just a small walk-in closet. So as you can see, some work is being done. So in total we have 4 bedrooms. So back to the master. So I'm just gonna talk to the builders a bit, and if you guys want to reach out to them, to the builder, you can. So we have one of the builder here. Just introduce yourself. John. So how long have you been doing this kind of work?
About 12 years, 13 years now.
About 13 years. Builder here as well, Sion. Big up yourself, Sion.
Big up, bro.
So yes guys, we have the builder here, Mr. Kirk McLean.
McCarthy.
Mr. Kirk McCarthy. So Kirk, how long have you been doing this?
Roughly about 20 years now.
20 years?
Yeah.
And what do you specialize in? Do you only specialize in houses, or you build like commercial buildings?
Everything.
Everything?
Everything, yeah.
Everything?
Yeah.
So do you only work in St. Elizabeth, or you work
No,
all and
I used to work in Mandeville. I work like Ingleside, Nose Road, Godfrey Lawn, Spurtree area, all of that area. Yeah.
But you do work all and water. If a work come, you're willing to take it on anywhere.
Yes, man.
Anywhere.
Yes, man.
Alright, so I just want to leave a number for the people that them can reach out to you.
Okay, my number is 580-3827.
Alright guys, you hear that? So Mr. McCarthy, Kirk McCarthy. So anyway, if you want to link him, you can link him. He specializes in houses, commercial buildings, any type of building.
Any type of building.
Yeah, yes. Man, and he's been doing it over 20 years, he said. So yeah, man, you can check him out. And his team of workmen, big up on yourself.
Yeah, big up.
Yeah, man, enough respect. Yeah, man, so you see them mounted up on the board, guys. Yeah, man. So this is the trunk, and as you can see, it's filled with water.